Happy New Year to everybody. Happy Year of the Rat. I just thought I'd give a little bit of an update. I'm involved in three different courses for Chinese medicine practitioners this year, and I just wanted to let you know a little bit about them. The full details are below this video, so with the links to book. So if you need any more information, look there. The first one is a course that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. I'm not doing it. It's the great practitioner Roisin Golding, who's doing a course on all of the different cycles of Chinese medicine. It's called Huang-Lao Daoism, Time and Space and the Tao in Classical Acupuncture. It's a 6-weekend course, and it's really going to go into all of the different aspects of Chinese medicine that relate to cyclical phenomena. And it's very practical. It's going to be her insights from her lifetime of practice in implementing all of these things, everything from the stems and branches calculations to the solar cycles, the annual cycle, the lunar cycles. It'll be great for really understanding why it is that you get results with some patients sometimes and not others. Roisin is going to do a free talk, which will be good in and of itself, but it will also give you a flavour of the full course. And this free talk is going to be on February 8th at Pax Lodge in Hampstead. It's also going to be live streamed online and also available afterwards as a video. So there's a link down below to sign up to that, as well as a link describing the full course. I'm helping organise it because I wanted to do this for a very long time, so I'm really happy that Roisin's decided to do it this year. Second course is one that I'm teaching on. This is a fantastic, all-encompassing Chinese dietary therapy 1-year course at College of Integrated Chinese Medicine in Reading. Teaching on it will be the great Danny Blythe, myself, Davrick Leggett, and Rebecca O'Reilly will be doing the Western nutritional component. Danny will be giving his fantastic insights on Chinese dietary therapy, and he will be going through a lot of very, very practical information and his amazing ways of implementing the medicine, so patients will actually take the advice. And I will be integrating that with a more Chinese perspective. What do the Chinese actually say about Chinese dietary therapy? What Chinese ingredients, what do they actually do? And when I say Chinese ingredients, they're very often ones that are readily available here, like ginger and spring onion and things like that. And then integrating that with the seasons and with the solar terms, and understanding very much from a herbal perspective, flavor and nature. So this is a much more in-depth and tangible and very practical approach to Chinese dietary therapy than we think that's been available before. Davrick Leggett will also be contributing to the course, and as I mentioned before, Rebecca O'Reilly will be giving a great Western nutrition foundation. So this is going to be a really fantastic course. I think it's about 15 or 16 days. It's starting in April. So there'll be a link down below to see the full course description and to book for Reading. Finally, myself and a colleague of mine, James Moss, we have been treating shoulders and necks for over 10 years. Countless patients we treated. Probably about 10 years ago, we both did an amazing course with a great practitioner called Phil McQueen. And his techniques absolutely revolutionized our practice of using massage and acupuncture to get results with shoulder and neck. I would say they have about a 95% hit rate in terms of getting tangible results quickly without too much pain on the part of the patient, and measurable so the patient can see those results. So we are going to do a shoulder and neck extravaganza at City College in May. It'll be 1 weekend, and afterwards we guarantee that your skills will be massively enhanced It's going to be based around Phil's techniques. However, we are going to also be giving a whole pile of our insights about other kinds of techniques and other approaches, particularly in situations where Phil's techniques might not work. So how do we augment them to get deeper results, get more consistent results in complex situations? For example, what happens when someone has a lot of blood stasis and pain, for example, in the elderly. For all of these three talks, I will be shooting little videos, interviews to go in a little bit more depth about each one of them. You can look more at the links down below with the course descriptions, but watch out for those if you want to get more updates about those and other things that I'm doing. I'm doing a lot of things for the public this year as well, including my regular Qigong classes, Tai Chi classes, classes for the public. I might be doing a Chinese Dietary therapy course for the public too. If you want updates about all of those, whether they're things for the practitioners or for patients, then you can look at my website, www.daomedicine.com, and you can put your email in and you can get onto my mailing list for regular updates. Otherwise, I hope to see you at one of these courses. What I would say is definitely come to Roisin's talk on February the 8th. It's free. It's going to be really fantastic. You get a chance to meet Roisin, ask her questions, take a look at her book. She's going to be signing some books and give them out a discount at the session. So come along, and I hope to see you there.